got chocolate on my mouth. I'm so sorry. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we're going to be doing another Halloween tutorial. We are going to be breaking back out into that area. I'm very excited. I've never really done, like I did the vampire one last week obviously, but this has been like the first time that I've really done like Halloween makeup. I did Morticia last year and that was super fun. So if you guys want to see Morticia or if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments. But today we're doing something very fun. It's a scarecrow. You're gonna see it in the thumbnail anyway. So basically it is a scarecrow makeup tutorial. It's really fun. It's really cute. I actually got this idea from a girl, I believe her name is Be Glamorous by Lindsay. I found it online and I thought that I would kind of recreate that because I thought it was really cute. And I'm not very good when it comes to like drawing or like artistry. So I thought doing something like that would be cute and fun, but also kind of simple and easy so anybody can really do it. But yes, if you would like to see the scarecrow makeup, then keep on watching. Go ahead, let's just get started. We're gonna do the face first just because the eyes are really simple, honestly. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump in and do the face really quick. We're not gonna be using any kind of actual foundation today, but I am gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And we're going to be using this because, I mean, I know a scarecrow is in the sun a lot, but it's like a dead scarecrow and scarecrows aren't alive technically. So we're just gonna be using this as foundation today. I ordered 2 more of these because Tarte had a sale on them about a week ago and I'm so happy that I did because I'm running out. So I'm using basically what's left in this one. Alright, so that should be good now. So basically we're just going to go ahead and use that damp beauty blender and buff this into the skin. I do notice that it is a bit hard. I forgot to prime. Well, we're not gonna prime. I forgot because I'm dumb. But I guess that's not too bad of a situation because, you know, it's a scarecrow. They're supposed to have like dry, cracked skin, stuff like that. So maybe it's okay if I don't prime because my skin is naturally very dry. So maybe it'll just kind of help with the theme, you know? That's what I'm telling myself. So now that we've got that blended in, I'm gonna take a little more here and then just put it under the eyes for concealer purposes. I zoomed you in a little bit so you could see what I was doing a bit better. But yeah, so that is done. The base basically. The base basically. It's like I'm doing the alphabet rap challenge, whatever that. Remember when that was going around? So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows really quick. I'm using the Benefit Gimmi Brow right here. This is in the shade 3. I'm going to go ahead and do those off camera and then I'll come right back. Alright, so that's basically done, you guys. My brow routine is literally this. And then sometimes I'll use a like an Anastasia like highlight pencil kind of thing to sculpt them out or to like carve them, but I really don't do that. I just use that right there and then just flick it on and it works like a charm. I'm very rhymey today. I don't know why. Alright, so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and contour now. I'm using the Lunatic Cosmetics Lab Contour Palette. This is the volume 1. They have 2, I believe, and this is the one that I have. I should use this more than I do, but I don't really contour all that often. But we're going to be using this gray right here to contour and kind of make me look a little more dead. So to go in with that, I'm going to be using a Morphe R10 brush and we're going to go into that and we're going to contour the cheeks. The reason I don't contour on the daily, you guys, is because I don't know how. Like this is my idea of contouring. Like I think this is just what you do, but like whenever I've tried it in the past, it looks weird on me and I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong or what. I basically just follow along with what everybody else does when it comes to contouring, and it looks great on a lot of people, but on me it just kind of makes me look like I'm dirty. And then we'll go underneath the jaw here to really sharpen that out. Oh yeah, look at that, like a cut glass. And I think that's good. Did I look contoured? That doesn't help. Alright, so we're done with that. Now we're basically going to go ahead and do the rest of the face. So basically why do I keep saying that? For the face and eyes, we're going to be using the same product. This is the E.L.F. Opposites Attract palette. And this little guy, I did a video on this not too long ago, but we're going to be going in with this orange right here called Cheeky. This one right there, we're going to be going into that, and we can go ahead and just start with the eyes. If you want to prime the eyes, you definitely can do that. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I heard so many people talk about the P. Louise base, like eye primer, and I really want to try that. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and go in. Basically, we're using one shade. We're using this shade all over the lid. It's the most basic, the most simple thing. And it does not need to be perfect whatsoever, because literally we are garage dooring this eyelid right here. Well, go ahead and zoom in just so you guys can see what I'm doing. And we're just putting this all over the lid. If you want to do more, feel free, but you guys, for this, it's just meant to be super simple and easy, nothing too fancy. And I'm not going to take it all the way up to the brow bone. I'm going to keep it pretty near the crease, but then just blending it out, windshield wiper motions back and forth like always. Alrighty, and we're not going to put anything on the bottom just because we're doing something else with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this brush by Luxie. This is their foundation brush. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go into this same cheeky shade. We're just going to use this and apply it to the cheeks. Kind of blend it out a little bit like that. And just try to eyeball it, try to make them the same size. And we're just going in a circle. So like blush, say if it was like traditional, like rosy cheeks, we're just doing that in a circle except with that orange shade on the cheeks. Like that. And then the last bit of orange we're going to be doing is I'm going to take my finger actually in that same shade and we're going to be going over the nose with it. I get the tip of the nose and then get the bridge. And then just work your way. So from the bridge all the way to the tip and then just kind of round it out on both sides. Just like that. So that's it for the eyeshadow. Like I said, you guys, so simple. And then the rest of the look is basically just eyeliner. I got my Tarte Sex Kitten liner right here. And then we are going to be going in, and first things first, we're going to do a winged liner. And it's going to be a big winged liner. So as big as you want it, that's as big as we're going to make it. I'm going to do this off camera, then I'll come right back. Alright, just like that. So just a basic winged liner on the top. And then we're going to go through and we're actually going to do the bottom, not the waterline, but the bottom lash line. And we're just going to not stick it directly in your eye. And then the same on the other side. If you messed up a little bit like this, I went down a little too far, that's fine. We can actually incorporate that in the next step we're going to do, which is basically draw tears, or like, it's not ink, it's more or less, it's tears. But we're going to do that and we're going to take the eyeliner and then just make these lines. You can make some small, big, but just do that all over the bottom lash line. Just like that, super simple. We're just making kind of like tear shapes. I don't know. And then also we're going to do the liner is we're going to go ahead and line out the nose. So just put a outline around the nose. Just wherever you put that orange on your nose, just outline that just like this. And then what you're going to do on the nose is you're just going to make 3 lines on the side to kind of look like stitches. So on either side, just make 3 lines just like that, and then you can do like one on the top, 2 small ones on the bottom, just like that. Super cute. And then we're done for the eyeliner for now. So now I'm going to go ahead and just use mascara. I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara right here. And then we're going to go ahead and just put this all over the lashes, as one would for mascara. All right. Good stuff. So now, guys, all we have left to do is the lips. So I'm going to go in with the KatVonD Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches. So we're going in with this awesome black shade. And then we're just going to go ahead and apply that all over. I'm like obsessed with wearing black lipstick now for some reason. I just think it looks super cool. And just like that, you guys, super nice black lipstick. If you want to use a liner, be my guest. I just don't use them. I don't think I've used a lip liner since I was probably like 6, and my mom put it on me for like dance recitals. I don't know, I just don't really use them. So now we're basically done with the look. So we're going to go ahead and just use the eyeliner one more time. And we are going to draw in some lines on the mouth. So like that, 2 lines going outside of like each corner. And then just put 3 X's, like kind of like barbed wire or like stitches, onto each line. So all you have to do now is grab yourself a flannel shirt. It can be any color. I have red with me right now, and a hat. Nope, this way. A straw hat. And you guys, the look is done. Here we go. So yes, you guys, this is the finished Scarecrow Halloween makeup. I really hope that you do like it because I'm obsessed with it. I may actually wear this one for Halloween this year. I've never been a Scarecrow before, so this is going to be very new to me. But yes, you guys, this is going to be it. It was super easy, super fun, super simple, so anybody can do it. Again, if you want to modify or change anything on this makeup, go for it. Do what you want to do. But yes, I hope you like it, you guys. And big shout out to Be Glamorous by Lindsay for giving me the idea, because of course it is her original makeup. I'm just doing a rendition of it. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the look. How many times can I say that? But that is going to be the end of the video here. If you did like it, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.